So I just wanted to do a super simple video on our OZmist stainless steel static mist line. Folks, most of our static lines are pre-cut and grooved. You'll see that little groove on the end there. That's actually to locate all of our fittings. So here we have one of our single nozzle unions. See that one there? And that just sits on the end of this tube, pushes on, and you drop the grub screw to locate it and tighten it and keep that fitting there when the system's operating at 1000 PSI. So we do have a few different types of fittings. We've got our quick fit elbow there. And we've got our quick fit T as well. So there is a few other fittings, but these are the ones that we are most commonly using. Now with our single nozzle union that we put on our stainless steel before, it's really simple. You just go ahead and screw your nozzle in, and away you go. That there is our 0.2 nozzle. That's our most commonly used nozzle, but for a few different applications we might use a 0.3 or a 0.3 impingement. Just sort of depends on what you guys need.